Just like Excel has functions and formulas to transform and calculate numbers, you can also do the same thing with text. So we take a look at this text over here on the left-hand side, and all of this data has come in all caps. And I really don't want that. I want to convert it from all caps into what we call proper and possibly even lowercase. So proper is going to make the first letter of the word capitalized, but all the rest in lowercase. And lower is going to make it so all of the words are going to be in lowercase. And then we're going to go ahead and convert all of this text into uppercase. So it's a very simple function. All I'm going to do is just tap on the equal sign and then just type out the word proper. Now you're going to notice here it's going to autofill, so I can just go ahead and double click on proper. And then you're going to see here it has proper, open parentheses, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on A2 and then hit enter. And you're going to see how it converts Mark to Mark with a capital M and lowercase ARK. Now very simply, all I'm going to do is autofill all the way down. So I'm going to move my mouse over here to the lower right, and I get this black plus sign and double click. And you can see here now I've autofilled all of that content. And you can see how it's proper A3, proper A4, etc., etc. And then we cross-reference it here, and you can see beautiful. Let's go do the same thing now for Baker. So equal sign, proper. This time when it pops up, I'm going to tap on the tab key. Love that. That finishes up the function for me. I'll go ahead and click on B2, hit the enter key, and then come over here to Baker, double click, and you can see beautiful, that's all done. Now let's go ahead and convert all of these to lowercase. So now I'm going to go ahead and just do equal sign and then just type out lower, hit the tab key, and then click on Mark, and then hit enter, and you can see now Mark is in lowercase. So you can see how it's transformed it from all uppercase to all lowercase. I'll go ahead and double click, beautiful. One more time, let's go ahead and do this time. Equal sign, lower, hit the tab key, tap on Baker, enter, and then once again, double click, beautiful. Love that. All right, now finally, let's go ahead and do upper. Now we're going to do the opposite of what we've been doing, where we're going to make all of these sizes in uppercase, because my database system that has brought in all this content didn't do it in the way that I'd like it to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and transform it now to all uppercase. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that equal sign, type out my function of upper, tap on the tab key, and then click on XXL, hit enter, and now finally double click in the lower right for my autofill, and lovely, there you have it. So you can see that there's lots of ways to transform your text in pretty quick and easy ways. So go ahead and try that on your own, and we'll see you in future lessons.
What was your favorite part of this tutorial? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.